Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED video light kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a content creator, photographer, or someone looking to improve your video quality, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hagibis LED Video Light Kit. This is our budget-friendly pick, priced at just $26.25. But don't let the price fool you. It offers some excellent features for its category. The kit includes 2 LED light panels, each equipped with 9 color filters to give you creative lighting options for your shoots. Its CRI over 95 ensures accurate color rendering, which is crucial for photography and videography. The brightness is adjustable from 0% to 100%, making it easy to control the lighting intensity to suit your needs. The design is compact and lightweight, making it incredibly portable. The adjustable tripod stand and 360-degree rotating head allow for versatile positioning, which is perfect for smaller setups like Zoom calls, live streaming, or tabletop photography. The USB-powered design means you can use this with a power bank or laptop, adding to its convenience. However, it's worth noting that the build quality is more basic, with plastic components that may not withstand heavy, professional use over time. The Hagibis kit is ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone on a tight budget who needs a simple, portable lighting solution. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in pricier models, it's a solid entry-level product. Pros include its affordability, portability, and versatile color filters. On the downside, it may not provide enough power for larger or professional setups. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat the value this kit offers. Coming in at number 4 is the NiceVeedi 2-Pat LED Video Light Kit. This kit offers a great balance between functionality and portability, making it a versatile choice for creators on the go. It features 3 adjustable color temperatures, 2800K, 4800K, and 6500K, along with a dimmable brightness range from 10% to 100%. With 356 LED beads and a high CRI of 97+, the light output is both stable and vibrant. Ensuring accurate color reproduction, the design is where this kit shines. The light panels are compact yet durable, and the aluminum tripod stand is lightweight but sturdy, extending up to 73 inches. The inclusion of USB-C adapters and the ability to power the lights via USB ports make this kit incredibly convenient to use in a variety of settings. It also comes with a durable storage bag, making it easy to pack and carry. However, the lack of a dedicated power adapter in the package might be a slight inconvenience for some users. The NiceVeedi kit is perfect for YouTubers, gamers, and live streamers who need consistent lighting without breaking the bank. Pros include its high-quality light output, adjustable settings, and portability. On the downside, it's not water-resistant, and the build quality of the tripods might not withstand heavy professional use. Overall, it's a very solid mid-tier option for creators looking for versatility and convenience. At number 3, we have the iQOO 2-Pack LED Video Light Kit. This lighting kit is a great choice for creators who need precision and versatility. With a powerful 30W output per panel, a wide color temperature range of 2500K to 8500K, and a high CRI of 98+, this kit ensures natural and vivid color reproduction. The 10-level brightness settings and detachable barn doors allow you to customize your lighting setup for various scenarios, from studio shoots to live streaming. The build quality is impressive, featuring aluminum alloy tripods that are both lightweight and sturdy. The tripods can extend up to 63 inches, and the light panels are easy to adjust for optimal angles. The kit also includes 2 phone mount clips, making it a versatile option for smartphone users. However, at 7.02 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some other kits, which could be a factor if you plan to move it frequently. The iQOO kit is best suited for semi-professional to professional use, especially for those who need a portable yet powerful lighting setup. Pros include its wide color range, high-quality build, and included accessories. On the downside, it's a bit heavier, and its price may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. Nevertheless, it's a fantastic option for those looking for a balance of power and flexibility. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the NiceVeedi 2-pack Bicolor 660 LED video light kit. This is a premium quality lighting solution designed for advanced users and professionals. Each panel houses 660 LEDs, 330 warm white and 330 cool white, with a bicolor temperature range of 3,200 K to 5,600 K and an impressive maximum illuminance of 3,300 lux at 1 meter. The high CRI of 96+ ensures accurate and consistent color reproduction, making it ideal for filmmakers, photographers, and YouTube content creators. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a rugged aluminum design that doubles as a heatsink, eliminating the need for noisy fans. The U-bracket and metal barn doors offer excellent light-shaping capabilities, and the included 75-inch aluminum stands are both stable and adjustable. The dual power options, AC adapter or optional NPF batteries, make this kit versatile for both studio and outdoor use. However, the kit's weight of 14.7 pounds may not be ideal for highly portable setups. The NiceVeedi kit is highly versatile and perfect for professionals who need reliable and powerful lighting. Pros include its excellent build quality, high brightness, and flexibility in power options. The main downside is its bulk and higher price point. But for those who prioritize quality and reliability, this kit is a standout choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the UBeesize 2-pack LED video light kit. This premium option is priced at $62.99 and offers exceptional performance for creators who demand high-quality lighting. The 13-inch ring light design features 300 evenly distributed LED beads that provide soft, shadow-free lighting, with a stepless dimming range of 1 to 100% and a color temperature range of 3,000 K to 6,500 K. This kit is incredibly versatile for a variety of shooting environments. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy 65-inch adjustable tripod stand and a rotating lamp head for precise positioning. It also includes phone holders and a remote shutter, making it a great all-in-one solution for content creators. The Bluetooth connectivity and side-emitting technology ensure convenience and professional-level results. While it's slightly heavier at 7.67 pounds, the overall design and functionality make up for it. The UBeesize kit is ideal for serious content creators, including YouTubers, TikTokers, and podcasters. Pros include its high-quality light output, ease of use, and thoughtful accessories. The only downside is the premium price, but given the features and performance, it's absolutely worth the investment. This is the ultimate kit for anyone looking to take their content to the next level. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.